Bonjour, please come in. Bonjour, I'm Ambre. This is my room. I have a single room. I'm very lucky to have one, but I also had a room with other girls last year, which was also an amazing experience. In my room, I have just girls coming over. Like, you can imagine this floor, this area, just girls everywhere on the floor, just sitting down, doing their homework. We play African games because I'm half African. We read books. I have a library, and just I love to have girls in my room all the time. Here is my get ready area and study area. I love here, as you can see, I have little calendar, something to remind me of Africa, and just again little pictures, little souvenirs across. Oh, this is a little souvenir from cheer because I'm a cheerleader. As you can see, it's very decorated. I brought everything from France, everything that I could possibly need to store my things, just so it feels really princessy, really homey. Here is my personal second couch, which is my favorite. I'm extra, and even though I had the chance of literally having three full free beds and this other couch, I really wanted something close to the window. They're extremely comfortable, so I can just sit there with my friends because I want to be next to the stars, next to the sky, and I can take a nap after school and stuff. So this is a community space, but my favorite part is you cannot tell, but those two convert into a full king size bed. So I have movie nights and sleepovers almost every weekend with my friends. So what I would do is that I convert them to I put pillows and blankets all over it, and we can just sit there. I have a projector. I'll pull this down and we just watch a movie. So above my bed I have some favorite little keepsakes and photos. So this is me, my father, and my friends in Disneyland, my best friends. This is a Moulin Rouge postcard. I love the Moulin Rouge. I love French arts. I love history. I love cabaret. I love the French cancan. So this is just, I love the Moulin Rouge so much. I love Paris. This is my sister, Astrid. She's 22. She's almost 22. I'm sorry, Astrid. And I love her so much. This is my mother, Alexandra, who I always keep right there. Then I have little pictures of winter formals of the school, because one thing you'll see is that at this school, at every little dance we'll have, we're able to take pictures with our friends and keep them. Dream Keeper, I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I bought it when we went on a trip to like near Mexico with the school, and I thought it was so beautiful, so I bought it. This is my best friend, my sister. I've known her all my life, and I really wanted to keep her with me. And this is me and my sister when we went to Japan, and we visited a friend that I made in EF. That because even after school, you'll miss your friends so much that you'll be ready to literally go to their country. So another thing about me in this school is that I love fashion. I'm always putting up my outfits every single day. I love thrifting. There is a thrift store near this school, so I love thrifting. Here I have my favorite pieces, my archive pieces. I have cardigans and everything planned. Here again, I have my pants area, my dress area, and this is how I like to organize my wardrobe. Is it perfect right now? No, because I am doing my laundry, but it's a start. This is what it usually looks like. All right, thank you for stopping by. Merci. I'll see you around. Please come anytime.